This is the Salsa dance party. We just had a squall, and yet all of you showed up. Woo! All right, so what we did is we talked a lot about some of the basics of our salsa. We did our basic step, we did our cucaracha, we did a crossbody lead. Then from there we did a turning box. Then we did it in shadow position. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's just go over our basics. Just the basics. All right, so we're going to have left foot free, right foot free for the lady. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We talked about the passing action and allowing us to have that so that while we're doing salsa, it creates a little bit more energy. Then we close our feet. And the feet closing tells the lady we're going to do something a little different. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then from there, this angle, we're going to do our cucaracha, also known as the cucaracha. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then we did our crossbody lead. We talked a little about how to create some energy from this crossbody lead. We had 1, 2, 3. Keeping the lady way behind so that when she steps forward, she's going to have a lot of energy as she comes across and turns. Very nice. Let's do that again. We'll do it a little bit faster. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, and then, we also did back spot turn. We're going to do that too. So now we're going to take the turning box. So what we did here, and this is just an open turning box to the left. This is something we learned at the silver level of all of our American Smooth. And we're doing it with our American Rhythm, Mambo, hence Salsa look. So we're doing it in close position. Remember, this step rotates because of the footwork, not the upper body. So we have forward, side, back, back, side, forward. Let's do that again. So we have forward, side, back, back, side, forward, forward, side, back, back, side. Nice. See, close works, doesn't it? All right, and then we did our bonus step, which was the back spot turn. This is something we can just create a great rotating action. We could do this a lot, or maybe just once. Once is nice, twice is delicious, 3 times dizzy. So we're coming from the crossbody lead. Let's just do it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do a back rock. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? We talked about the 7 footwork with the feet, then the 11, and then the close. So it looks like this from the back rock. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And you notice how much rotation we got from that. All right, let's give this young lady a huge round of applause. We have a great dance party tonight. I am taking